Hey everyone, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give you a quick look at the InDesign workspace. I will show you the main panels and tools. Let's get started. Once a file is open, you see the workspace. So, what is the workspace? The workspace in InDesign provides a customizable layout for windows, panels, and tools that allows you to create a personalized design environment. The Tools panel on the left. The menus at the top of the application. The Control panel in this area. This is the Page area, and the area outside the page, called the pasteboard. Now, let's take a look at the toolbox first. I can drag the toolbox away from the edge. By clicking the double arrow at the top, you can make it single horizontal, double column vertical, or a single column vertical. Choose the one you like best. Now, on the right side, they are the panels. This area here is your Control panel. Collapse and expand panel icons. You can collapse panels to icons to reduce clutter in the workspace. Expand the dock width to display icon text. Drag panel icons to rearrange them within the dock, between docks, or as floating icons. You can customize your workspace as well. Right now, I'm using the Advanced Workspace. But there are other options like Essentials, Essentials Classic, and Book. Each workspace has a different interface. If you want to go back to the Advanced Workspace, simply click on it and select Reset Advanced. This restores it to the saved settings. You can expand these panels by clicking the double arrow at the top or dragging them closed with the mouse. This makes them take up less space. If you don't remember what certain icons mean, you can pull them out slightly to reveal their names. Expanding the panels like this might take up too much space, so I usually collapse them again when I'm done. If there's a panel you need but don't see, or if you accidentally close one, you can find all panels under the Window menu. For example, find the Text Wrap panel. Go to the Window menu. Click Text Wrap. Now, the Text Wrap panel appears. You can dock this panel by dragging it to the side until a blue line appears. This means it will snap into place. You can also pull panels onto the desktop. For instance, clicking the Swatches tab and dragging it off creates an independent floating panel. You can resize it, collapse it using the double arrows, or even combine multiple panels. You can stack panels on top of each other to create a floating group. For example, click on the Gradient tab and drag it out. Now, move it on top of another panel to create a stacked group. When you see the blue line, put the panels together. You can collapse or expand them as needed. And if you want to return them to their original location, we can drag them back into place.
Just below the document window, you'll see the View menu. This is where you can check the current zoom level. By clicking the menu, you can zoom to 100% for 1000%, or any level you need. Choose any size you prefer from the menu to zoom out. To fit the page, go to View Fit Page in Window, or use the shortcut Ctrl+0. At the bottom of the status bar, you can see the page numbers or parent page information. Now, suppose you need to move around in the document, maybe to a different area. You can do this by simply scrolling your mouse up or down to move vertically, or left and right to move horizontally within the document window. In the Tools panel, click the Zoom tool. Click once in the document window to zoom in. The area you clicked will be centered in the window. Click a few more times to zoom in closely. Zooming out. To zoom out, hold the Alt key, Windows. The Zoom tool pointer will now show a minus sign, minus symbol. Click several times to zoom out, then release the key. In the Tools panel on the left, select the Hand tool. Click and drag in the document window to move around. You can think of this as similar to moving a piece of paper on your desk. In the Tools panel on the left, some tools have a small arrow in the corner. This means there are more tools available. Right-click on a tool to see additional options in the menu that appears. The Selection tool, black arrow, is one of the most frequently used tools. You use it to select and move content within your document. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell. Thanks for watching. And drop a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.